um, the results from yesterday. This is the VANA USDT pair, same one from yesterday. The chart currently looks a bit messy because I've added a few things after I placed the trade, as the price was changing direction. So to make it less confusing, I'm just gonna delete it for you and show you why I added those. And yeah, just 1 second. So the position right here, this is a short position. This thing was right here yesterday. As I saw the price coming up, I thought the price would come down, but it did not reach this area. Oh, sorry, the price was here. So I thought this price would go all the way up here, where this is, where this has the entry, but it did not trigger this short, and it just started to go down. So I placed another order before that. So this is a long order because I thought the price will come down to test around this black support line and also this blue support line. So this is where I put my entry, and it did trigger my entry, and it started to go up, and it spiked up and reached basically my TP, which is take profit. And once it reached here, I realized that it's very near this blue resistance line, so I figured the price will head down again, and especially the price right here broke out of this blue channel, so I thought it's likely to go down to test this line, so I placed a short. However, I took the profit early because it was nearing this line, and I wasn't sure if the price would shoot up to test this area again, so I just took the profit early here. Yeah, so that's the result from yesterday. Sometimes I don't always look at how my trade is going. I just check once or twice during the day for like 10 seconds, and then if I look at the chart and I see some price changes like here, like if it didn't trigger my order and starts coming down, I place another one. So I try to look for new opportunities when I want, but sometimes I just don't place another one. I just wait until it comes back to that price to trigger. But if it takes too long, usually the price movement can change and the trend might change, so I have to adjust according to that. So I may also delete this one if it didn't trigger it for a while. So yeah, that's the result from yesterday's trade, and yeah, why I added those red boxes. So in this case, I went to 1 hour higher time frame, and whenever there's like a steep price change, like here it's a lot of buys and it's going up, I use this rectangle tool and I place it around the price right here. So for example, this is a buy trend, so I will look for the sell in those buy trend. So this is basically where there's a lot of sell, like kind of consecutive, I guess, and then I just drag it out, lock it in, and basically same right here. You can see it's a lot of buy, but then in between a lot of buy you see those red consecutive candles. So I just do the same. You can see right here, and I go to a smaller time frame and then see right here. You can see a bit more consecutive, the top of that movement to the bottom of the movement, just right here. I just drag it out. So with this, you can see if the price was right here, I would analyze that the price would eventually go out of the box a little bit and come down to test the midline. Yeah, in this case, I think the price could potentially come down to this blue area or towards the midline of the bottom one, but I think the price is gonna go up because it tested those midlines. But we'll see what happens.